How to solve CapCut template not showing. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble finding templates in CapCut? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut template not showing issue step by step. So let's get started. Before we start, this issue usually happens because of regional restrictions, outdated app versions, or minor app glitches. Here's how to fix it. First, make sure your CapCut app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for CapCut and check if there is an update available. Updating can often resolve missing features like templates. Next, if updating didn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap on Application, then go to CapCut and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app to clear any temporary data. Next, CapCut templates might not be available in certain regions. If you are in a restricted area, try using a VPN to connect to a different location and reopen the app. Just make sure to use a reliable VPN. Next, sometimes a quick logout and login can refresh the app's feature. Go to your profile, tap on Logout, and log back in using your credentials. After trying these steps, your templates should appear. If not, the issue might be temporary. So keep an eye out of updates from CapCut. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone facing the same issue. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.